In this real review of Browse and Bank, the world's first system that pays us to use the internet, the headline here is exposed. $267 billion loophole that pays me $374.32 per hour to browse websites like YouTube and Facebook. No traffic needed, no expenses needed, no waiting for results. Of course, you have a VSL here that covers the bullet points that you see here on the right-hand side with these gold dollar signs. I won't read through all of those. What I want to do is I want to show you the fact that I was going to purchase this and I was in a hurry because the price is going to rise again in 26 minutes and 26 seconds, 25 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. But wait, claim your $2 discount. Of course, there's a countdown timer on that discount code as well. We'll go ahead and exit off of that. We'll go ahead and focus in on this timer again, 26080706. Go ahead and refresh the page. You'll see the timer reset, 29 minutes, 55, 54. So it's fake scarcity. The timer doesn't work. The price isn't going up, as well as this $297 monthly that's been striked through here on the page and telling you that you pay just once $17 and use it forever is of course fake as well. This product has never been sold before until this launch, and it is never ever going to sell for $297 monthly. You can simply go back and look at all my reviews here on the channel. I'll leave a card up here in the right hand corner, and you can check out these from Branson Tay where he never raises the price after the launch. The thing I wanted to show you as well, click here for instant access now. Of course here it's one-time $17 purchase. Don't forget to exit off the screen. Claim your discount code if you are going to purchase this. To get it for $15, go ahead and claim my discount now. You'll see this takes me over to the Warrior Plus checkout page where this purchase is not authorized. Please contact the vendor, Sir Branson, that is Branson Tay, for details. He has blocked me from purchasing any more of his products to actually get access to them, to test them, to show you if they work or not. So I no longer can actually purchase the product to show you how it works. But what I can do is show you the demo video that they have provided everyone. Here is the demo of Browse and Bank. As you can see down here in the left-hand corner, this video was published September 1st, 2021, when this product was basically created. Before it launched today, September 6th, they've been working on this for probably a few months, and they built this dashboard. This is a typical dashboard that you see on those products that I've been covering here, again, in the reviews here on the channel. This is the same type of product. You can see if you were to go back to the sales page and you were to scroll through the sales page and you were to take a look at these bullets here next to this VSL, I get paid $374.32 every hour for simply browsing the internet. No traffic needed, but we still get paid a fortune. You're just 3 steps away from browsing and banking. Thousands around the world are getting paid to browse. Step 1, access. Click any buy button on this page to get Browse and Bank. Of course, you've seen again that Branson Tay has blocked me, so I couldn't purchase it. So we are going to be walking through the demo video so I can show you exactly what you're going to get for your money. Step 2, activate. Turn on the paid to browse technology inside of Browse and Bank, just as easy as turning on a light. Step 3, bank. Get paid for browsing your favorite sites like Facebook, YouTube, and more. Receive payment via direct deposit or PayPal. The step 3 here is really where this breaks down for me, and I'm calling this out to say that this is just not true. You are not going to get paid for browsing your favorite sites like Facebook, YouTube, and more. What they've done based upon the demo video is they've created this dashboard that lets you browse offers. As you can see here, browse offers on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank, meaning they are playing on the word, the idea of the sales page that you can browse these sites and make money. All this is doing is allow you to go through the products that are for sale on these platforms, on these marketplaces, and then getting your affiliate link. Then this tool moves on to allow you to create browse pages. As you can see here, this is a landing page builder. Landing page, opt-in, thank you page, webinar pages, coming soon pages, checkout pages, with a basic page builder that you can see here inside of the demo video. Here are the templates that you'll be given. Then they have a button here called Browse Cloaking that allows you to use the bit.ly URL shortener or Rebrandly, which you could already use for free, just like the other things, the browse pages. Of course, I talk about group pages here on the channel, as well as Aweber and GetResponse, which have landing pages that connect to free email autoresponders. All of that can be accessed for free. You don't need Browse and Bank. Moving on in Browse and Bank, you can see here, browse on Facebook. What this lets you do is connect your Facebook account, so then you can supposedly control your Facebook account and do multimedia posts, carousel video posts, call to action posts. You can also connect and you can use this tool to do auto replies, auto comments. Here you can see the same thing on Browse on Messenger. It's the same thing. You can connect here. Once you connect your Facebook account, then you can set up and you can run their bot messenger here inside of Browse and Bank. Has a feature here for Browse RSS content. Of course, if you don't know what RSS content is, RSS is a web-based feed that allows users and applications to access updates in a standardized computer-readable format. Basically, this allows you inside of Browse and Bank to connect RSS feeds, pull them in, and then use them to post on Facebook, YouTube, etc. Because if you move on to the next screen here, you're going to see that they have conveniently connected a tool here or given you a tool here that they call Browse on YouTube. Again, this allows you to connect your YouTube channel just like your Facebook account, and then gives you the ability to control and operate your YouTube channel from within this tool instead of using the YouTube Studio Manager. None of that is provided here inside of Browse and Bank. This is just a tool that would allow you to auto-like and comment on campaigns. And again, a basic video manager, which allows you to do the same things that you can freely do inside of your YouTube studio. There's also a plugin here for WooCommerce, meaning if you wanted to run an e-com site, you could do the same thing. So basically, this tool, Browse and Bank, if you were to purchase it for 15 bucks, allows you to connect all your social media, Facebook, YouTube, pull RSS feeds, search YouTube, set up a WooCommerce store on a WordPress site, because WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin, and you can control it all inside of Browse and Bank. Because the sales page saying that you're just 3 steps away from browsing and banking. Step 1, access, click any button on this page to get Browse and Bank. Step 2, activate, turn on the paid to browse technology inside of Browse and Bank. Of course, the paid to browse technology is connecting all of your social media, Facebook, YouTube, connecting your WooCommerce store, connecting your WordPress powered website. And then step 3, bank, get paid for browsing your favorite sites like Facebook, YouTube, and more, is complete and utter nonsense. This makes no sense. This is a complete waste of time and a complete waste of money. Yes, it's that easy for me to say it because I've taken a look at tons of these products. This is the same kind of nonsense that comes every month or every 2 or 3 months from the desk of Branson Tay. If you were to purchase Browse and Bank, you'd be put into the funnel, and then this is the funnel structure and pricing. The first OTO or the first upsell would be unlimited, which means to unlock all the premium features of Browse and Bank, which there was no mention on the sales page. The fact that this was a locked tool that you would need to unlock to get unlimited free traffic, to get unlimited Browse and Bank profit campaigns. To remove all the limits, you would need to pay an additional $47. Then OTO2 is the done for you for $297. Then the OTO3, which is the income multiplier for $97, gives you the statement that you're going to earn 5x more money with your Browse and Bank account without any extra work. Then you have Browse and Bank limitless traffic for $167 to instantly tap into their personal diamond source or viral traffic for unlimited sales and commissions. OTO5, Browse and Bank franchise license. This means that you can sell this product and put your name on it like the other affiliates that are recommending it and keep 100% of the profits for basically ripping people off and selling them a product that they don't need for a product that is sold from a sales page that reads like this. The world's first system that pays us to use the internet. Exposed. $267 billion loophole. Pays me $374.32 per hour to browse websites like YouTube and Facebook. No traffic needed, no expenses needed, no waiting for results. And of course, don't forget that when you scroll down here, this is a fake timer. This price is never going up, just like this $297 monthly. Again, this is never sold for $297 a month, and it never will. And that is my real review and my opinion based upon the sales page and my history with Branson Tay products before he blocked me, as you can see here, from purchasing his products anymore. To show you inside, as you can see, this purchase is not authorized. Please contact the vendor, that is Sir Branson or Branson Tay, for details. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Just like the video you see right here, click that, watch it. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.